Hello Marex World, and thanks for watching. Today's video is for all you performance fans who love the numbers. So let's get started with a few. 1.3 miles per gallon or 0.71 kilometers per liter at 28 knots. Not bad for a 36-foot family cruising boat. Our focus is on a diesel application in our Marex 360 Cabriolet Cruiser. She's fitted with twin Mercury Marine 3-liter V6 270 horsepower diesel engines. These are driving Bravo 3X stern drives. Now, before you say it, let me just give you an update that these are not your stern drives from years past. The team at Mercury has been taking all of their experience and constantly upgrading to the current generation with highly improved performance, reliability, and corrosion control. The 360 measures in with a length overall of 37 feet 8 inches or 11.4 meters with the extended swim platform. She has a beam of 11 feet 5 inches or 3.4 meters. Her draft is 3 feet 6 inches or 1.1 meters. But the advantage of stern drives is being able to trim the engines up to get into some of that skinny water. She weighs in at 16,975 pounds dry or 7.7 metric tons, but our estimated test weight was 19,767 pounds or 8.9 tons. Let's talk performance. If you need to outrun a storm or get back to the dock quickly to restock some adult beverages, good news. We recorded an average top speed of 36.1 knots at 3,800 RPM while burning 31.9 gallons per hour, giving us an efficiency of 1.1 miles per gallon. This gave us a range of 201 miles or 372 kilometers, which we calculated with a 10% fuel reserve. Most of us focus on reasonable speeds, and this is where the 360 has some interesting numbers. At 3,200 RPM, we recorded an average speed of 26.2 knots, where we were burning 19.8 gallons per hour, or 75 liters per hour, giving us an efficiency of 1.3 nautical miles per gallon, or 0.71 kilometers per liter. This gave us an average range of 236 nautical miles, or 437 kilometers, again calculated with that 10% reserve. Obviously, with a decrease in speed comes a decrease in fuel burn, but her advanced hull design is a planing hull. So, at a displacement speed such as, let's say, 6 knots, she's only burning 1.6 gallons per hour, achieving a range of 650 nautical miles or 1,204 kilometers. But let's be honest, if you plan on going that slow, you might as well just buy a sailboat. The twin Mercury application comes with several features, such as fly-by-wire joystick control, which makes everyone look like a pro when docking. It also includes autopilot, skyhook station keeping, and the full SmartCraft with vessel view system. The engine itself features aluminum cylinder heads for lightweight, a closed cooling system which is excellent for corrosion protection, a turbocharger, and a glycol-cooled turbine housing. The latest evolution of the Bravo 3X drive is capable of even more load carrying and has super heavy-duty U-joints, bearings, gears, and shaft. The dual counter-rotating stainless steel props are optimized to deliver maximum horsepower to the water. This helps deliver high torque at low RPM and better efficiency at running speeds. Thanks for sticking with us throughout the entire video. Please like and share, and especially share with any of your friends that are thinking of buying a new boat. If you'd like to learn more about the Marex 360 Cabriolet Cruiser, please visit our website at marex.no.